A facility is left on edge after a daring escape.
I said, Mr. Matt, go in the bathroom. Somebody's hanging from the ceiling.
Okay.
But this escape didn't go exactly as planned.
Yep.
Are you hurt anywhere?
No.
This is Inside the Crime, presented by Law&Crime. I'm Elizabeth Millner. We want to thank you so much for following this case with us, and we're able to bring you this story because of our incredible partner, Morgan & Morgan. There's a reason why Inside the Crime is one of the top true crime shows on YouTube, just like there's a reason why Morgan & Morgan is America's largest injury law firm. For more than 35 years, they've been fighting for the people and have recovered more than $30 billion for their clients. The proof is in their track record. With more than 1,000 lawyers across 100 offices nationwide, hiring Morgan & Morgan is like hiring an army to go into battle for you, a team that'll fight hard to get their clients the compensation they deserve. Not all law firms are the same. Hire the wrong one and you may be beat before you even start. If you're ever injured, you can check out Morgan & Morgan, and their fee is free unless you win. For more information, you can go to forthepeople.com/insidethecrime, click the link below, or scan the QR code on your screen. Police say she tried to escape a correctional facility through none other than a ceiling tile in the bathroom. But she says there's a reason why she allegedly tried to make a run for it. It's February 24, 2026. We're in Bowling Green, Ohio. It's almost 9 in the evening when officers with the Bowling Green Police Department are dispatched to the Northwest Community Correction Center. According to their website, the Northwest Community Correction Center serves as a sentencing option for adults convicted of felonies. So residents, as they're called, have more privileges than if they were in prison. But one resident tried to take advantage.
Like a square tile up into the ceiling.
Okay, is she still in there?
We have no idea.
Okay. I'm gonna request OSP to check the freeway.
That's fine.
Okay. 62 headquarters. Can you contact OSP, request them to check the freeway in the area in case you went that way?
According to the Bowling Green PD incident report, they were looking for 40-year-old Trisha Lane. She was held at the facility for a probation violation, with the original charge reportedly being possession of drugs. According to the police department, staff at the facility were alerted by another resident that Trisha crawled up in an air vent in the bathroom, and she hasn't been seen since.
One of the girls came in and said they saw her feet.
Okay.
And I was on the other side dealing with a whole other situation. When I came back over here, there was no sign of her at all.
Okay. Have you guys done a physical head count?
I believe they have, yeah.
Okay.
You got a letter?
Yeah.
You want to get on my shoulders, Dean?
Hang on a second.
Do you want to start circling the building on foot?
I think we have our insurance.
Okay. We're getting a drone in too.
Officers spoke with the resident who reported the escape. She says she heard through the grapevine that Trisha was planning to do this all day.
So, you're not being accused of any crime. You're not under detention by us. But since you're under detention, I'm just going to advise you of your rights, okay?
Okay, great. I got it started.
Just so you're aware.
Okay.
All right. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court. You have the right to consult with an attorney and have an attorney present during questioning. If you can't afford an attorney, one can be provided to you before questioning at no cost. Do you understand these rights?
I do.
With that in mind, do you want to answer any questions?
Not at all.
Okay. What'd you see?
So I was sitting at the table right outside this door, which is a direct line view into the bathroom.
Okay.
I seen Miss Gray holding the handicap door, and it was kind of weird the way that she was holding it, and I kept kept watching, like what the heck's going on. And even in my phone call, you could hear my pause, because my sister's like, hello.
Oh, okay. So you guys talk on recorded lines?
Yes.
Okay.
Then I just kind of brushed it off a little bit. Well, then I seen a body jump up,
Okay.
and then I started watching. And then when April went into the handicap stall, is when I seen Lane's legs dangling, and then I yelled for Mr. Matt.
Okay.
I said, Mr. Matt, go in the bathroom. Somebody's hanging from the ceiling.
Okay.
And then he stood outside the bathroom, did his thing, and I said, no, go in there. She's escaping. And then everybody ran. And
Okay. After that, they locked you guys down, I'm guessing?
yes. Yep.
Okay. And just like an immediate physical head count?
Yeah. Well, no, they put us all in there.
Okay.
I don't think they counted us until after you guys got here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Anything else noteworthy that you can think of?
Nope, not that I can. No, because it would be hearsay.
I mean, any statements that
I mean, there was hearsay of her earlier today saying she was going to take her lock and break out the window, that she was just going to scale a fence.
okay.
And then
So other people
and,
around,
like,
other people in the
she's-
pod were
yeah, she
talking.
emptied her locker, so like it wasn't just a bloom of a second. It was planned.
Okay, so she's been planning it for
Yeah,
a while.
yeah.
Okay, just based on what other people are saying, what you'd seen in there.
Yep. Yep.
Okay, and you said that started today.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, we noticed it started today.
Okay,
Yeah.
sounds good. No, thank you. Appreciate your time. Thanks.
According to the incident report, officers saw a protective cover removed from the ceiling vent, and above that protective cover, ducting was blocking the rest of the opening.
He went up to, that was the other day I was in here, he just went up to go out to the maintenance hall, there's like a staircase. I wouldn't be surprised to see there. We got like push our way up here. Hold on, I gotta move the ladder the other way so I can move my hand. No, I should be able to look. No. They're better enough. We can clear it all. I don't see anything, but I'm not putting my head up there so I can get booted.
Officers don't know how far Trisha may have gone at this point, but they think there's a possibility she might be on the roof.
Yeah.
Do you guys want to come through the mechanical room, go up the ladder, like where the roof
62.
access is?
Yeah,
Yeah, one of us can, yeah.
I'll go if you want to hang on here.
Okay.
That's clear. Okay. 62 headquarters maintenance is going to be giving me access to a mechanical space so I can try to get up to the second floor in there.
It's not, I think it's on yours, isn't it?
Yeah, you can get to the roof from our side too.
But I mean the key, I think the key's on your side.
That's clear. There's going to be another unit. Haas is his last name. He's going to try to meet me so we can get up there.
Okay.
It's all the way to
If you want to just stand by the door, just let my partner in. All right, we're going to clear it up through here.
You want me to roll it up? I know you want to do it.
Yeah. Where does this key go? Parker, follow me up. That's clear. Looks like your most likely access out would be west. I don't think she'd go that way because there's a fence on that end. I'm gonna go down.
Is there a way you could have gotten to the roof from that bathroom?
It's directly underneath here, but I don't know if there's enough vents that are big enough for her to get out.
It could still be in the ceiling.
Yeah. .62 headquarters. None of these vents in the ceiling look big enough for anyone to fit through. She may still be in the ceiling inside the facility. Negative. It's going to be an internal ladder that we're going to need to get up in there. So the door that she went out is that open door directly across from these windows here.
The basement or the bathroom?
That bathroom open door, yeah.
Okay. Oh, I see.
So it would have been directly underneath where we were just standing earlier. Okay. All right, let's head back in.
With no sighting of Trisha, officers retrace her steps and go back to the place where she reportedly began the escape.
I just want to confirm, can you guys make sure that you've done a physical leg count?
We did.
Did you? Okay. You guys might have to let this door, we'll swing it the other way.
You can pull that mat out of there.
I'll brace you on this side.
According to the incident report, when officers first swept through the bathroom, they didn't hear or see Trisha. But remember earlier when I said they also noticed some ducting blocking off the rest of the opening in the ceiling vent? Well, according to the report, when the ducting was removed, officers found who they've been looking for, still hiding in the ceiling.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Trisha,
62 units, she's
come
still
down.
inside the facility, she's in the
Just come
ceiling.
down, it ain't worth it, okay? You should come down here, walk me down, okay? I got it.
Northwest corner, she's going to be directly above the bathroom she was in.
She's working her way down.
Can that be removed, like, set it off to the side,
Go ahead, keep working your way towards me. I don't want to rip it. I don't want to break it.
Yeah. Oh, I had that down right there. I don't know why I did that.
Keep working your way this way.
62 County Dispatch, we're going to be inside the facility, she's in the ceiling still.
It took a little bit of wiggle room, but Trisha finally came down.
Go feet first.
Yep.
You can take this, I think it's your already. I don't know.
You heard anywhere?
Just 'cause anyway. Navajo County, one customer. All right, go ahead and go this.
Searching for the others.
Yep.
Oh, hold on. You got anything on you going to poke us or to stick us? Any weapons or anything? Okay.
I got my eyeglasses and my thing.
Okay. All right, we'll get her out to the car. Thank you.
parked right out here?
I am directly in front of these doors off of the lobby.
Okay. We can just go out this way.
I'll take that. Thank you. All right, we're going right over there to car 102. Should be unlocked. Anything on you that we missed? Anything on you that when you get out of the jail is going to catch you a conveyance charge?
Just phone numbers. That's in my.
Okay. Don't reach for anything, just leave them where they're at.
All right, so.
How you doing, man? I didn't know you were working out here.
Yeah, I didn't recognize anybody, but I finally did.
That's your escape.
The director talked me on the way in, so she's originally supposed to get out tomorrow.
What's that?
Something else got issued, so.
Yeah, we'll just, yeah, you guys want to take her? And
We'll take her.
Yeah,
Yep.
that'll save us,
Yep.
you know, everything.
Yep, we'll take her over.
Yeah, appreciate you guys coming out so quickly and getting everything squared away.
Do we need anything else from you guys? Or
I got her.
director's right there. That was
By the time I got over
easy
there,
considering.
I don't know.
Yeah, easy considering. So. Okay. You guys need anything else from us?
I don't think you guys have her, right?
Yep.
Right here. We're gonna take her next door to the jail. So.
Okay, I'll get a hold of probation, so I'll look at everything, so.
Okay.
She's going to catch an fresh charge for up to escape. So.
She was already being terminated tomorrow, so
Okay.
I think she found that out early.
Sounds good.
Great, I appreciate it.
I'll get her over there. Yep. Thanks, guys.
Appreciate it, man. All right, take care.
Did she damage anything up top?
Not from what we could tell. Maybe this screw hole is on the cover panel. Do you want her for criminal damaging?
I'm
I
to
don't
look
think
at it.
so. I mean, if, yeah, we
Okay.
should be good.
If
Okay.
you guys find any damage, just call over. We'll just add it.
Cool. Thanks, guys.
Thanks. So did she come down? Or?
Yeah, she did. There was nowhere for her to go up in that interstitial space. The county unit stayed there while we were checking the roof. And as soon as I was tall enough, he peeked in the corner and there she was. So
Was she like? Could you guys hear up there rustling around? Or
no,
just,
she was like
quiet?
that. She was
Yeah.
once she started moving, we could hear her. And then, but like when we were just
and Carter tried to get up there and move it with a short ladder. He couldn't hear it. He couldn't get in there.
Man, what's going on?
How are you? And then I could hear. I thought somebody was in the bathroom in the stall. I'm like,
Yeah.
is anybody in the stall? And they're like, no. I mean, it was her up in the ceiling.
Okay.
Kind of wrestling.
yeah, when we were in there at first, I couldn't hear her at all. So
I didn't see it. There's no way it's a secure building.
Well, we got out here in like under 5 minutes.
I was-
She got up through.
Trisha Lane wasn't going to be a resident at the Northwest Community Correction Center. Instead, she's going to be an inmate at the Wood County Jail.
real quick before we head in there. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court. You have the right to consult with an attorney and have an attorney present during questioning. If you can't afford an attorney, one can be provided to you before questioning at no cost. Do you understand these rights? With that in mind, do you want to answer any questions?
The Bowling Green Police Department redacted what was said next, but here's what the incident report says. Upon arrival at the Wood County Jail, I advised Lane of her Miranda rights. Lane consented to questioning without a lawyer present. When asked, Lane stated that she climbed up there to access the ceiling vent. Lane also stated that she had just pushed the vent and the inner ducting to access the space above the ceiling. Lane stated that there was nothing holding the vent or ducting in place. When asked why she attempted to escape from the facility, Lane stated that she had been on furlough and had met up with a boyfriend. Lane then stated that she somehow ended up pissing dirty. It goes on to state, a subsequent inventory of Lane's property at the jail revealed a security barrel nut and security screw, which she had concealed on her person, and I did not locate during my search incident to arrest. I secured both the nut and screw and impounded them as evidence. According to news station WTVG, on March 4, 2026, a Wood County grand jury indicted Trisha Lane on charges of escape and criminal damaging or endangering. All-in records with the Wood County Sheriff's Office show as of this recording, Trisha Lane is still behind bars in the Wood County Jail. Her next court date is scheduled for April 27th. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Inside the Crime. I'm Elizabeth Millner, and we'll see you back here tomorrow with another case.